Mastering phrasal verbs. Don't look down on. Look down on. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to another interesting lesson. Today, we're going to dive deep into a common phrasal verb, look down on. This phrase is a vital part of conversational English, and mastering it will add a new layer to your communication skills. To look down on someone or something means to regard them with a sense of superiority or disdain. It implies a feeling of being better than the person or thing in question. Remember, it's not used in the literal sense of physically looking down from a higher place. Instead, it's a metaphorical expression used to convey contempt or a sense of being above someone else. To help you understand this phrasal verb better, let's look at some examples. 1. Some people tend to look down on others who have less education. Here, look down on is used to express a sense of superiority based on educational attainment. 2. She never lets her success make her look down on her old friends. In this sentence, look down on is used to denote that even though she is successful, she doesn't feel superior to her old friends. 3. Despite his wealth, he doesn't look down on those who have less. This sentence implies that the person, despite being wealthy, does not treat those with less wealth with contempt or superiority. Let's look at a small dialogue to understand how look down on might be used in conversation. Person A: I feel like my colleagues look down on me because I didn't go to college. Person B: Don't let anyone look down on you just because you chose a different path. Your value doesn't decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. In this dialogue, you can see how look down on is used to express the feeling of being treated as inferior due to not having a college degree. So, that's all for today's lesson on the phrasal verb, look down on. Remember, it's used to express a sense of superiority or disdain towards someone or something. Try using it in your conversations to practice and familiarize yourself with it. Always remember, don't let anyone look down on you, and equally, never look down on others. English language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary but also about understanding and expressing values of respect and equality. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next video on phrasal verbs. Happy learning!